Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're talking tarot cards. Was this card meant to find you today? Maybe? Subscribe to this playlist as we take a journey into each of the tarot cards one by one and the meanings of the imagery and message they convey. Let's get started. The Lovers, card number 6. The Lovers card usually depicts a man and a woman standing under the angel Raphael, who represents healing and guidance. The couple is often shown in a lush garden reminiscent of the Garden of Eden, with the Tree of Knowledge and the Tree of Life behind them. The sun shines brightly above, symbolizing clarity and harmony. This card is about relationships and love. The Lovers card is often associated with romantic relationships, deep connections and choices in matters of the heart. It represents love, union, and harmony. It's also about choices and decisions. Beyond romance, this card highlights the importance of making significant choices that align with your values and true self. The Lovers card also symbolizes the need for balance and harmony within oneself, as well as in relationships with others. We hope you enjoyed this message. Did it resonate with you? If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.